Okay, here is the problem. This circuit here is running off the this power station here, and this power station, lithium power station, when it is running low watts like this, with just a couple of speakers and stuff, the TV is fine, right? But as soon as I turn on my big computer here, which I will do now, the TV becomes distorted. Okay, now the power station has pass-through charging. What that means is, and you can see that when it's running up to about a couple of hundred watts, we get this interference on the television. Now when I turn on the mains to the power station itself here, the TV becomes clean because the power station isolates the charging circuits from the battery, and the mains is coming straight from the wall through the power station to the main computer, so that the pure sine wave inverter is being switched off. And that's basically the problem. So what I want to do is to buy a big battery, a big deep cycle battery to leave outside, and have it with a clean inverter doing the same thing as the wall. Okay, so I need to be able to, and I'm going to show you this. I'm going to turn off the pass-through charging. Right, we can see the TV goes bonkers again, and now what I'm going to do is to turn off the PC over here. I'm going to turn off the PC, put it into hibernate, and it'll go down to about 40 watts because it's just running some speakers and stuff. So it's coming down from 200 watts. It's just putting everything into hibernate, and there it goes. The TV is fine again. So at low watts, the pure sine wave inverter works fine, but at high watts, in order to make the sine wave, it has to do a lot of, I don't know what you call the right word, but it has to overlap a lot of frequencies to make the curves, and these frequencies impinge on the low end of the TV signal. It also interferes with ham radio and a whole bunch of other things. So I'm after a big battery and an inverter that'll produce clean energy so that it'll pass through my lithium power station and not interfere with the television. Okay, great.